love airports. I mean, they're such cool spaces, and just the chance to kind of take something in the studio and translate it onto this larger scale is just such a privilege, and I'm always hoping that I can grow and learn as an artist and integrate that in the future to where the work is going next. I wanted Charlotte to really be a part of it through the mapping research that I did and the impact it would have on the viewer and the space and how those things would work together. It's so much more than a digital print. We used gesso to create texture and brush strokes on the panels, and the printing really shows the tactility and shadow play that you get when you have papers and materials that are layered and almost forming like a topography. And then one thing we did was add gold leaf so that there's a shimmer and that interacts with the light coming through. I hope that this piece will support that sense of ease, wonder, curiosity, and allow people to feel welcomed and feel that this is a space that they want to be in.